Hello again, my precious. Today is Friday, and traditionally we have a new lesson. And today I'm going to ask your opinion, of course, in Ukrainian. Thanks to my subscribers who gave me this idea for you. So I'm reading all your comments and answer all your questions. So let's start. Питаємо вашу думку. Asking for your opinion. So our lesson today is dedicated to how to ask about someone's opinion and how to answer it in Ukrainian. So as I promised, it is not grammar lesson. It's more general Ukrainian, like everyday Ukrainian. So let's look through all and learn something new. Корисні запитання. So let's look through the useful questions when you ask about someone's opinion. Що ви думаєте з цього приводу? What do you think about this? And we have two variants. Що ви думаєте? Що ти думаєш з цього приводу? What do you think about this? So this one, plural or very respectful for a person. And this one, just when you ask someone close and the person is only one. So, the difference between вы, ты, you can watch in my video. It's was somewhere, it's maybe even the first. If I won't forget, I will put the link here. Що ви думаєте з приводу? What do you think about? And here we have blank. Що ти думаєш з приводу? What do you think about? We have blank. Як ви вважаєте? What do you think? What is your opinion? Як ти вважаєш? What is your opinion? Як ви гадаєте? The synonym of як ви вважаєте. Як ти гадаєш? The synonym, actually. Як вам? How do you like this? Як тобі? How do you like this? Чи подобається вам? Do you like it? Чи подобається тобі? Do you like it? Що ви маєте на увазі? What do you mean? Що ти маєш на увазі? What do you mean? So in English, there is no any difference. In Ukrainian, we have a difference. So you can screenshot these useful questions and we will continue. Корисні фрази для відповіді. Useful phrases for the answer. So here we have phrases and here we have examples. З цього приводу я думаю, що. In this case, I think that. For example, з цього приводу я думаю, що треба все проаналізувати. In this case, I think that we should analyze everything. Я думаю, що. I think that. Я думаю, що ця пісня дуже гарна. I think that this song is very beautiful. На мою думку, in my opinion, на мою думку, ця пісня нудна. In my opinion, this song is boring. Я вважаю, що. I think that. Я вважаю, що цей фільм варто подивитись. I think that you should watch this film. Я гадаю, що. The synonym of я вважаю, що. I think that this book is boring. Я гадаю, що книга нудна. Мені подобається. I like. Мені подобається ця книга. I like this book. Мені не подобається I don't like. Мені не подобається ця ідея. I don't like this idea. Я маю на увазі, що. I mean that. Я маю на увазі, що це дуже важливо. I mean that it is very important. So, again, you can watch one of my short videos about подобається, не подобається. Check it.
Я вважав би, що ти білий день без дощу.
And right now, let's go to more practice. So, I have written a dialogue for you, and in the next slide, we are going to perform it with my fluffy friends. Here's now. So, let's read it before, and then you will listen and try to remember. It's very useful. And very simple. Very, very simple. Привіт, привіт. Ти дивився фільм вчора? Так, а ти? Так, як тобі цей фільм? Мені подобається, а тобі? На мою думку, цей фільм нудний. Що ти думаєш з цього приводу? Я думаю, що фільм чудовий. Hello, hello. Did you watch the film yesterday? Yes, and you? Yes. How do you like this film? I like it. And you? In my opinion, this film is boring. What do you think about this? I think the film is wonderful. So, now watch me and my fluffy friends performing this talk. Привіт! Привіт! Ти дивився фільм вчора? Так, а ти? Так, як тобі цей фільм? Мені подобається, а тобі? На мою думку, цей фільм нудний. Що ти думаєш з цього приводу? Я думаю, що цей фільм чудовий. So, as you have seen, I use the toys in my videos pretty often, and I don't think it's stupid or childish because it's very funny to talk to the toys. And you even get shy and you think, oh, it's silly, stop it. But when you can, with a serious face, talk to the toys, you can talk with a serious face to any other people's. It's really improve your speaking practice. The first one, if you don't have someone to talk to in Ukrainian, yes, they don't answer you, but you just cope with the shyness and you just cope with the barrier that doesn't allow you to talk to real people. So, just practice, use them, any toys you wish, and it will be really useful for you. You will improve your speaking, I promise. I use them in my English lessons, I use them in my Ukrainian lessons, I use them while I'm learning French, so it's really cool. And after that, I'm not afraid to talk to real people. So, toys forever. Use them. So this is the end of our video. I hope you have liked it. I hope you have enjoyed it immensely like me enjoying doing it. I hope everything was clear and the topic was interesting for you. Please write me in the comments anything you want to learn. I have lots of ideas, but your ideas are more precious for me. So please write in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumb up. And we will see each other next Friday.